Hi, I'm Janet Ferraro. Thank you for joining me today. In this painting, I'll be demonstrating how I layer the paint. Not only do the layers of paint add energy to the surrounding area of the horse, but it actually lends a great support to the horse moving through this landscape in this monochromatic painting. I do have a video which demonstrates how to create this type of texture in the background. It's called Palette Knife Painting Techniques, and I'll put a link in the description area below this video if you'd like to check that out. I personally like to begin my paintings of animals with warmer colors. I find that it lays a great foundation and it really lends itself well since this animal is a warm living creature. And this particular horse, Duke, has a lot of warmth and strawberry colors in his coat. And Duke is an adopted Mustang. I just found him to be so beautiful. This is a commissioned painting, and I was just delighted when I met this gorgeous horse and I was able to paint him. If you are interested in viewing more of my work, possibly commissioning me to paint one of your beautiful animals, you can go to my website, janetferraro.com. And I also have an Etsy shop where I sell quite a few of my different giclée reproductions. And I will put those links as well below this video.